Hello everyone and welcome. This video we're walking through how to find a global site tag on Google Ads. First step is to log into your Google Ads account. Second step is to click on the tools and settings icon that looks like your image in the upper right corner. Then next, under shared library, you're going to click on audiences. Then click on audiences, audience sources. Then select details under Google Ads tag. Then scroll down to the ads or tag for construction and tag code section. The global site tag will be displayed in the text field. The global site tag is used to collect data from website visitors for the marketing and other audience targeting purposes. You need to add the global site tag to your website's code to start collecting data. If you haven't set up the marketing in Google Ads from 30 to so, just simple as that. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more.